The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is here, and this two-stroke legend continues to prove that smaller displacement doesn't mean less fun. Is this the perfect bike to sharpen your skills? Let's dive in. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Design. The 2026 YZ125 features updated bodywork that's sleeker and more ergonomic than ever. The slimmed-down profile allows riders to move freely, essential for aggressive riding. New graphics give it a fresh look while maintaining that classic YZ identity. The lightweight aluminum frame keeps the bike nimble and responsive. Attention to detail is evident throughout, from the refined plastics to the quality of components that can handle serious track abuse. Performance. The 125cc two-stroke engine remains the heart of this machine, delivering crisp throttle response and that addictive power band that teaches riders precision and timing. The engine hits hard when you're in the zone, rewarding smooth technique. Updated suspension components provide excellent feedback and control, soaking up jumps and whoops with confidence. The power-to-weight ratio is impressive, making it surprisingly competitive against larger bikes in the right hands. Features and technology. While the YZ125 keeps things focused on pure riding, Yamaha includes thoughtful updates like improved engine mapping for cleaner power delivery and refined clutch action for better feel. The proven chassis geometry has been fine-tuned for modern track demands, while maintaining the playful character riders love. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves two-stroke 125s are still relevant and incredibly fun. It's a skill-building machine that never gets old. Did you learn on a 125? Share your story in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your moto crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more dirt bike content. See you at the track.